This is Raul. He's looking for a way into the tech world, but he keeps running into the same barrier. Even the jobs labeled entry level expect him to already have years of professional history. He's stuck in a loop. He can't get the experience without a job, and he can't get a job without the experience. Like many people, Raul tried the standard route of watching online lectures, but watching someone else code or manage a project is different from doing it yourself. When a recruiter asks for proof of his skills, a certificate for watching videos doesn't carry much weight because it doesn't show how he handles a real-world problem. The Business Analyst Training Institute, or BATI, was built to break that cycle. Their philosophy is centered on the idea that expertise is built through active construction, not passive observation. Hiring managers are looking for a track record of solved problems. To get noticed, Rahul doesn't need more lectures. He needs a physical portfolio that proves he can handle the responsibilities of the role from day one. Starting at BATI begins by looking at your current schedule. They have developed 4 specific paths that scale based on how much time you can commit to your career transition. This chart shows how those paths are organized. On the far left, Program 1 is a 45-day crash course. This is built for someone who knows the basics but needs to quickly apply those skills to a single guided project to sharpen their resume. For those starting with no background, the options move towards longer, more intensive commitments, ranging from a 90-day basic track to a full-year intermediate program. As the duration of the program increases, so does the weight of your portfolio. In the 90-day track, you complete 4 projects. By moving to the year-long program, you graduate with 6 completed projects, giving you a much broader range of evidence to show potential employers. This tiered structure ensures you aren't paying for extra time you don't need, allowing you to choose a pace that matches your specific career goals. Rahul decides Program 3, the 180-day track, is his best fit. It gives him enough time to build a solid foundation without feeling rushed. He spends the first phase of the program mastering the essential theories of business analysis. Once he can speak the language of the industry, he receives his course completion certificate. With the theory out of the way, Rahul moves into the most important phase, a 6-month internship where he works on actual business problems. During this time, he completes 5 projects using different styles of management. He learns Agile, which is a way of breaking big projects into small, flexible weekly goals, and Waterfall, which is a traditional, step-by-step approach where each phase must be finished before the next begins. He also learns to use Tableau to turn messy data into clear visual charts. When he gets stuck on a complex project, he doesn't have to search for answers alone. He uses BATI's library and their instant support system to get direct help from experts who can guide him through the technical hurdles. By the end of these 6 months, Rahul's laptop is no longer just full of notes. It contains 5 finished professional-grade projects that prove his technical ability to anyone who asks. Once the internship is finished, the focus shifts from building skills to securing a position in the industry. As the bottom right of the chart shows, every program includes standard placement support. This covers the basics every applicant needs: cleaning up your resume, practicing for interviews, and sharing his profile directly with the Institute's partner companies. Rahul chooses to add the placement guarantee option. This is a specific agreement designed to align the Institute's success with his own. This gives him one-on-one time with an expert who specializes in how to stand out on hiring sites like LinkedIn and Naukri. He also goes through mock interviews at the Institute as many times as he needs until he can answer technical questions without hesitation. This option has a unique financial structure. The extra fee of 14,999 rupees is only paid after Rahul has an official job offer in his hand. Because the Institute only collects this fee when Rahul succeeds, it ensures they are fully invested in making sure his training and interview prep are effective enough to get him hired. When Rahul finally sits down for a real interview, the dynamic has changed. Instead of struggling to explain his lack of experience, he opens his portfolio. He walks the interviewer through the Agile projects he managed and the Tableau dashboards he built. He isn't just a candidate with a resume, he's a practitioner with proof. He gets the offer. His relationship with BATI doesn't end there. With free lifetime placement support, Rahul has a permanent resource he can return to whenever he decides it's time to take the next step in his career. The path is straightforward. Build the foundation, document the projects, and use that evidence to open doors. To see which of the 4 programs fits your schedule, Visit www.baclassroom.com or call the number on your screen to speak with the Institute. A career in tech is built on what you can demonstrate. You can start building that evidence today.